Hello and welcome back to 100% Info. In this video, I will show you how to take a photo on GoPro MAX 360. Let's begin! First, you simply want to make sure that you are in the right mode. We can change modes by simply swiping our finger to, for example, our photo mode, or clicking the button right here. So, by clicking the button, we can move to the photo mode as well. And now inside photo mode, all we want to do is simply hit the shutter button right here to take a photo. And of course, if you want, you can always change the photo to be in different mode, from wide to max super view, which is a pretty nice feature, and you can always change if it's a 360 photo or just a normal photo, with the ability to change its timer. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.